in less than a week, we addressed a population of 15,000, and now there are none.
For thousands of Haitians, the dream of finding a better life in America ended here, under a Texas bridge, after they were expelled from this makeshift refugee camp that now sits empty.
The Centers for Disease Control has a Title 42 authority that we exercise to protect the migrants themselves, to protect the local communities, our personnel, and the American public. The pandemic is not behind us. Title 42 is a public health policy, not an immigration policy.
The U.S. Secretary of Homeland Security on Sunday defended the administration's continuing use of a Trump-era law to expel migrants before they can seek asylum. An estimated 13,000 Haitians who arrived in the border town of Del Rio are getting the chance to make their case before U.S. immigration judges. But at least 4,000 others have been put on flights back to the country they desperately wanted to leave. I'm not a criminal, this man says. My only crime was to want to live. The White House is also facing harsh criticism after images surfaced showing border agents on horseback terrorizing the Haitians.
Those are disturbing images. We only ask that the Haitians are treated humanly.
The Republican governor of Texas is defending the agents and promising to hire them if they're fired by the Democratic president.
If they are at risk of losing their job at a president who is abandoning his duty to secure the border, you have a job in the state of Texas.
Despite civil unrest in Haiti, Secretary Mayorkas says the government has determined the migrants can be sent back there safely. That's even though it's a place many of them haven't been in years, having made this grueling trek to the U.S. from South America. Now, earlier this month, dozens of public health officials wrote to the CDC and Homeland Security calling Title 42 scientifically baseless and politically motivated. Caryn Ceolin, City News.